Hi, good evening, everyone. This is Karine of Divis PH Academy. Before I start the tutorial video, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa 3,000 plus member of our group. And lalo pang dumadami ang member nito. Maraming salamat po sa mga nag-invite ng kanilang mga friends or yung kusang nag-join sa aming group. And we're looking forward to get more members this month. And then, kung hindi ka pa member ng aming group, please join Work From Home Professional Philippines. You can check the link below. And if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to Divis PH Academy. And you will see or you will watch a lot of free videos po. And like and share na rin para marami pong makakita ng mga free videos namin. Okay, let's start our lesson. I'm gonna share my screen. Okay, lesson 10, how to set my rates as a freelancer or VA. Isa sa mga nagiging struggle natin as a VA and freelancer is in how to set our rate. There are instances na masyado tayong underpaid or overrate. O masyado bang mabigat yung task ko sa rates ko or masyadong magaan ang rate ko sa aking task. The reason why we want to know our rates, kasi kaya nga tayo nagtrabaho sa bahay, we want to be comfortable, we want to have a stress-free or less stress sa ating trabaho. Okay? So, before I dig deeper, I'm going to discuss to you what are the pricing structures or models that we have to consider. Una, yung hourly rate. This is the typical or most common method of charging for virtual assistant services. Kasi pag hourly rate, for example, if you will do general virtual assistant task, you charge $6 to $8 per hour. Kasi marami kang ginagawa. And depende rin syempre sa budget ng client mo. The good thing with hourly rate is pwede kang mamili kung gusto mo lang magtrabaho ng 20 hours, 15 hours a week. And also, we have to consider yung preference ni client. Saka mas madaling mag-isip pag hourly rate kaysa yung iba't ibang method pa kasi ito nga yung pinaka-standard. And actually, when I started as a VA, rate ko is $2.50. Eh, masakla pa doon, na-scam ako. So, hindi ko talaga naranasan yung 2.50 cents. Yung isang paying client ko, I started $4 and isa yung $3.75. Okay? So, yun, hanggang sa nagtaas na ako ng rate and hanggang sa nakapagtayo ako ng sarili kong agency. Alright, so project-based, most of project-based, ito yung sa mga freelancer, like graphic design, web developer, video editing, content writing. So you will get paid a certain amount once you deliver a certain task or project. Project fees means those fees that have been agreed to by the parties and set forth in the budget. Ito yung napag-agrihan nyo ni client. Halimbawa, sa Upwork, na kung makikita nyo doon yung budget ni client nandoon. Okay? So, we have to align the budget din ng client and also yung rate din natin. Okay? So, sa project base, as much as possible, you have to set a milestone. Halimbawa, pag nagawa mo itong isang milestone na to, you will get the 25% of the project fee. Hanggang mabuo mo yung 100% project fee. Para mas safe, kisa naman saka ka lang babayaran pag natapos mo yung project. Mas dangerous kasi yun and mas prone yun sa scam. Okay, next. Retainers. Pag sinabi retainer, basically is a pre-arranged arrangement of trading specific tasks to an agreed upon weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Ito, halimbawa, sa isang week, tatrabaho ka ng 20 hours, and you will get paid $100 per week. Or kung bi-weekly, $200. Pag monthly, $400. Okay? So, ganun. Pero pag sa retainers, kasi pinaka-safe yung weekly kasi you have an assurance that your client will pay you. And then, pag bi-weekly kasi and monthly, bukod sa matagal, mas, prone siya sa scam kasi nagawa mo na yung service, hindi ka pa binabayaran ni client. Ako, hindi ako nag-agree sa bi-weekly. Mas preferred ko yung weekly. Kasi bukod sa weekly akong may gastusin, mas may assurance ako na mababayaran ako ng client. Okay? Productize. Ito yung magsisimula siya normally sa project base. Halimbawa, web development or web design. Ang expertise mo talaga mag-design ng website. Pero yung content writing, hindi mo expertise or hindi mo niche. So you will ask your friend na content writer, now he will do that task and you will pay him a certain amount. You will get the payment from the client and i-outsource mo yung another task. So yun yung productize. So if you're going to ask me what is the best payment structure, actually all of them are best. Depende talaga sa situation. Depende sa pangangailangan mo, depende sa skills mo. Pero again, make sure lang na sa project base, again, na-mention ko nga na you should get paid, in per milestone. Then sa retainers naman, as much as possible, weekly, para may assurance ka na babayaran ka ni client. So ito yung mga madalas na natatanggap kong questions or yung minsan din na nakakahiyang magtanong sa client. Is that okay to have an advance payment? Yes, it's okay. Especially if you're paying subscription and tools para magawa mo yung trabaho na yun. Halimbawa, ikaw ay graphic designer or video editor. Of course, you buy Adobe's application. You buy a high-end PC to perform the job. Siyempre, namuhunang ka rin. Diba? Kung namuhunang, kailangan mabawi mo agad yun. So it's okay to have an advance payment. Paano ba charge yung advance payment? Pwedeng 25% ng monthly payment mo or weekly payment mo. Pero mas maganda yung ganon. Mas alam mo kasi, maganda kasi sa advance payment, you have an assurance that your client will pay you kasi willing siya magbayad ng advance payment. Pero may mga ibang client na ayaw ng advance payment. Bakit? Baka may mga bad experiences sila. Katulad ng isang client ko, dalawa kaming VA na hinire niya. Both of us asked for an advance payment. So ako, nag-asa ko ng, I think the advance payment na hiningi ko is $200. Pero yung $200 na yun yung parang advance salary ko nung isang week na yun. Pero itong si VA na isa, nag-ask din ng same amount, advance payment, pero hindi nag-deliver. Ang nangyari, yung task ni VA napunta lahat sa akin. So yun yung ibang mga client, may bad experiences sila. So if they decline to ask advance kung ayaw nila ng advance payment, just understand them. O kung gusto mo talagang i-push yung advance payment, move on ka sa another client. Pero kung naiintindihan mo yung situation ni client, pumayag ka na lang sa weekly or per milestone na bayaran para may assurance ka na mababayaran ka ni client. Okay? So how much should you be charging? Kano ba talaga? Baka naman, I don't deserve that much or people won't pay me that much. So may isang kasi nililimit natin yung sarili natin sa rates natin. Siguro kung baguhan, naiintindihan ko na nililimit nila sa sarili. Pero sa mga baguhan, hanggat maaari, wag tayong papayag ng commission base. Medyo dangerous kasi ang commission base kasi paano kung 1 month, 2 months ka na nagtatrabaho sa kanila and hindi ka pa nakakapag-provide ng leads, ng paying leads. Good luck na paano yung pagbabayad mo ng mga bills mo, ng internet mo, diba? As much as possible, dun tayo sa binabayaran tayo per hour or per project. Okay? So doon naman sa mga may experience, wag naman tayo masyadong mag-overprice. Kasi may tendency, yes, you have high rate. ang tanong kasi doon, ang dangerous kasi doon, sustainable ba? Kaya ba ni client i-sustain? So we have to consider din yung capability ni client to pay. Hindi lang yung rate natin. Kasi ako, ang stand ko, I can stand naman with my rate, pero kung alam ko si client is medyo low budget siya, instead of accepting the job, nire-refer ko sa iba na mas mababa yung rate. At least, natulungan ko pa si client. Hindi yung ginarap ko yung project, hindi ko magagawin ng maayos. Kasi nga, masyadong mababa. Okay? So there are a few factors that you have to consider. Of course, you have to consider your expenses, like your software, your subscription, yung coaching education mo as a VA, and so forth. Kasi namuhunan ka rin. Actually, this is like a business. You have to invest. You have to invest with PC, internet, office chair, table, diba? Kailangan mo mamuhunan din. So next, yung lifestyle mo, yung expenses mo, yung tax na binabayaran mo. Kasi if you're a type of person na medyo luxurious, medyo yung expenses, maraming expenses, baka yung tinatrabaho mo, kulang pa dun sa pambayad sa mga expenses mo. Kung alam mo na medyo mataas yung expenses mo, you try to increase your rate na match dun sa skills mo. Or if hindi man, get more clients. Okay? So, taxes, of course, yung mga SSS natin, pag-ibig, life insurance, so we have to consider those things as well. So, ilang oras, buwan, or weeks, or hours ang ginugugol mo? Masyado bang mahaba yung oras mo? At marami kang ginagawa? Diba? You have to consider that as well. Kasi time is money. Lahat ng oras natin, may katumbas na pera yan. So, you have to consider those. Baka naman masyadong tasky, tapos ang konti na ng oras na nakalaan, yung trabaho, hindi pang 4 hours, pang 8 hours. Diba? So, you have to consider that. If you think that the task is too much, walang problema mag-increase ka ng rate. Okay? So, for example, this scenario is for startup BAs. Yung, kunyari, cold calling ang kanyang trabaho. So, ang rate ni client na binigay sa kanya, $3. So, $3 is equivalent to 48.68 Philippine peso. Natatrabaho siya 4 hours a day, 20 hours per week, 4 times 4 weeks a month. Okay? So, 3 times 48.68. So, 146 per hour ang kanyang ginugugol. 4 hours a day times 5, which is 20 hours per week. So, in a weekly basis, meron siyang nakukuwang 2,920.80. So, that will serve as your retainer weekly payout. And then, you work 4 times a month, diba? Sa isang month, may 4 na weeks. So, ang total is 11,683.20. And you only have 4 hours a day. Actually, for me, siguro sa baguhan, baguhan ako. Napakalaking amount na yan. Tapos 4 hours ka lang tatrabaho. If you compare the minimum, yung ganyang amount is 8 hours na. Sa iba ko sa provincial rate. Hindi ko masyadong sa Manila rate. And then I remember nag-work ako as a teacher. 20,000 a month. And monthly ko siya hinihintay. Imagine that. Tapos, syempre, pag monthly, minsan nakakapang-utang ka na, may mga bills na dumadating, wala ka pang pambayad. So, more than 8 hours. Kasi pagdating mo sa bahay, magagawa ka pa ng lesson plan, ng mga anong report. So, minsan, 16, pahinga ko lang tulog. Nagtuturo. Tulog lang ang pahinga ko noon. And then, alam mo yun, I do a lot, but we pay less. Kaya saludo talaga ako sa mga public school teacher. Napakadakila nyo. But anyway, so disclaimer again, the rate you come to will be highly dependent on your personal situation, your skills, your job, your client, your target market, your target industry. Okay? So setting rate is very important. So, ito, yung $15 to $25 per hour, normally ito na yung sa mga pangmalakasan and is for US-based ang VA. Pero may mga nakikita ko sa Upwork na ganyan yung kanilang rate. Hindi masama yun kasi nakita ko yung profile ng mga 5 years VA na sila. And then the industry kasi yung inaano nila is mga high-end. Hindi lang small business owner. Company talaga. Okay? Siyempre pag small business owner yung target mo, normally, hindi mas mababa sa $15 per hour. Pero kung mga company na mas mataas na yun, syempre. So, syempre, kung intermediate yung skills mo, 25 to 50, or depende yan talaga sa skills mo. So, meron naman yung mga digital marketing, may mga $50 per hour, but normally, per project, yung alam ko sa mga ganito. So, again, depende sa skills, industry, clients, etc. Okay, thank you so much. Sana medyo nalinawan tayo. Last word lang, if you are a new VA, huwag tayong masyadong pumayag sa $2 or commission base. Delikado yun. Masyado tayong lumi doon. And then, kung ano naman, alam mo, confident ka na sa skills mo, $3, magaan na skills. Hindi masyadong stressful. Pero yung mga maraming skills, na maraming task na, mas accessible more than $5 yung i-rate natin. Okay? So, pag freelancer ka naman, pag alam mo si client talaga ito lang yung budget niya at hindi swak dun sa rate mo, it's either just move on to another client or help someone na baguhan na ibigay mo sa kanya para magkaroon siya ng opportunity. Ganun ginagawa ko pag hindi swak to sa rate ko, masyadong mababa, pinapasa ko sa iba. At least, nakatulong pa ako. Hindi kasi yung initsupera ko na si client. Alright? So, thank you so much for watching. If hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please click subscribe button, notification bell, DVSPH Academy. Like our Facebook page, DVSPH Academy as well, and Dynamic Virtual Services PH. And then, you can join to our Facebook group, Work from Home Professional Philippines. Once again, this is Karine of Divis PH Academy. Thank you so much and have a good night.